Welcome to another new video of interesting math problem on our channel Math Solutions for You. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We are given an equation, and this is an exponent equation where 2 to the power x is equal to 2 minus, and then within parentheses we have a product of terms, and these are 1 plus half multiplied by 1 plus 1 by 2 square multiplied by 1 plus 1 by 2 to the power 4, and this continues up to 1 plus 1 by 2 to the power 16. And we are asked to find the value of x in simplest form. So the powers of 2 within this particular expression, that looks pretty formidable, right? Especially 2 to the power 16, and then if you have to multiply all of this by hand, this is going to take a significant amount of time, and it's going to be a very time consuming and laborious process. So the question here really is, what could be a much simpler way of solving this problem in a time test? So for that, we start with the expression within the parenthesis. This is what we are given, and then we just add a couple of terms at the beginning, and these terms are 2 multiplied by 1 minus half. And when we add these two terms, the value of the expression doesn't change. Why? Because 2 multiplied by 1 minus half is essentially 2 multiplied by half, that comes to 1. So the value of the expression doesn't really change when we add these two terms. But it does, as we'll see, immensely simplify the evaluation process of this expression. And how is that? Well, if we take these two terms, 1 minus half multiplied by 1 plus half. So that's of the form a minus b multiplied by a plus b. And we know that's equal to a square minus b square. So these two terms taken together will now become 1 minus 1 by 2 square. So we can substitute these two terms as simply 1 minus 1 by 2 square, and we do that and rewrite the expression. This is what we get. Next, we combine these two terms which are underlined, and these are again of the form a minus b multiplied by a plus b, which makes a square minus b square. So these two together becomes 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 4, right? And the process from here on is just a repetition, right? So 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 1 plus 1 by 2 to the power 4. Together it becomes 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 8. And now we have 2 multiplied by 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 8 into 1 plus 1 by 2 to the power 8 multiplied by 1 plus 1 by 2 to the power 16. Now if we combine 1 minus 2 to the power 8 multiplied by 1 plus 1 by 2 to the power 8, that becomes 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 16. And finally we combine 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 16 and 1 plus 1 by 2 to the power 16, and that becomes 1 minus 2 to the power 32. So we're left with, so 2 still remains, right? So we're left with 2 multiplied by 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 32. So now we go back to our original equation, and for the terms, for the product terms within the parenthesis, we can simply substitute that as 2 multiplied by 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 32. And when we simplify this by removing the parenthesis, the 2 gets cancelled out, And we're just left with 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 to the power 32. And this we can further write by, laws of exponents. This is essentially 2 to the power minus 31. So from this, it's simple to see that the value of x will be minus 31.